Hedge A versus Agentic AI, when to use each technology. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, understanding when to use different AI approaches is crucial for successful implementation. Dr. Jarish Sundram presents a comprehensive framework for distinguishing between GenAI, generative AI, and agentic AI, two powerful but fundamentally different approaches to artificial intelligence applications. Understanding the fundamental distinction. At its core, the difference between GenAI and agentic AI lies in their primary focus and capabilities. GenAI excels at content generation, creating text, images, code, and creative outputs. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is designed for action, executing complex workflows, making decisions, and performing multi-step tasks autonomously. This fundamental distinction shapes every aspect of how these technologies should be deployed and what business problems they're best suited to solve. The content generation powerhouse is GenAI. Primary role and capabilities. GenAI serves as a sophisticated content creation engine. Its primary role revolves around generating high-quality text, images, audio, and even code snippets. Whether you need a compelling paragraph, a code snippet, an image summary, or creative content, GenAI delivers rapid, high-quality outputs. Typical output characteristics. The outputs from GenAI systems are typically complete, standalone pieces of content. You might receive a well-structured document, a functional code block, a detailed image description, or a creative story, all delivered as finished products ready for use or minor refinement. User involvement pattern. GenAI operates on a human-in-the-loop model for every interaction. Each interaction requires human input, guidance, and validation. This ensures quality control and allows for iterative refinement, but it also means that GenAI systems don't operate independently for extended periods. Task complexity and reasoning. GenAI excels at single-hop reasoning or creative draft generation. It can take a prompt and generate sophisticated outputs, but it typically works best with clearly defined immediate tasks rather than complex multi-step processes that require ongoing decision-making. Technical characteristics. GenAI systems are fundamentally stateless. They don't maintain memory between interactions. Each request is treated as a fresh start, which makes them predictable but limits their ability to maintain context across longer workflows. For latency, GenAI systems typically operate with 0.5 to 3 seconds acceptable response times for creative tasks, making them suitable for interactive applications where users expect quick responses. Risk profile and use cases. GenAI presents relatively lower risk because its outputs are typically reviewed before action. Common use cases include email draft assistants, SQL query generators, and code explainers, applications where human oversight is natural and expected. The action-oriented approach. Agentic AI. Agentic AI represents a paradigm shift toward autonomous action. Its primary role involves executing complete workflows through sense-plan-act loops, making decisions, and performing multi-step tasks with minimal human intervention. Typical output characteristics. Rather than generating content, Agentic AI delivers completed workflows, executed API calls, and accomplished tasks. It's not a document or image, but rather the result of actions taken in the real world, whether that's processing support tickets, managing system operations, or executing complex business processes. User involvement pattern. Agentic AI operates more independently, with humans setting goals and reviewing results, or intervening only when exceptions occur. This autonomous operation model allows for 24/7 operation and can handle routine tasks without constant supervision. Task complexity and reasoning. Agentic AI systems excel at multi-hop reasoning, decision-making, and chaining multiple operations together. They can break down complex goals into subtasks, execute each step, and adopt their approach based on intermediate results. Technical characteristics. Unlike GenAI, Agentic AI maintains memory, context, and long-running sessions. This stateful operation allows them to remember previous interactions, learn from outcomes, and maintain coherent behavior across extended workflows. These systems are designed for interactive agents with often sub-500 millisecond response times per step, enabling real-time decision-making and responsive automation. Risk profile and use cases. Agentic AI carries higher risk because it can take actions autonomously, potentially affecting real systems and processes. This necessitates guardrails, sandbox environments, and careful permission management. Use cases include auto-triage support tickets, intelligent virtual assistants, and self-healing DevOps bots. Key decision framework. When to choose GenAI. Choose GenAI when your primary need is content creation, when human oversight is acceptable for every interaction, when you need quick creative outputs, or when working with relatively simple single-step tasks. GenAI is perfect for applications where the AI serves as a sophisticated tool that enhances human creativity and productivity. When to choose Agentic AI. When you need autonomous task execution, when workflows involve multiple steps and decision points, when 24/7 operation is valuable, or when you want to automate complex business processes, Agentic AI is ideal for applications where the AI needs to operate independently and make decisions based on changing conditions. Implementation considerations. Data freshness requirements. GenAI systems can often work with relatively static training data, as they're primarily focused on generating content based on learned patterns. Agentic AI systems, however, often require fresh, real-time data to make informed decisions about current conditions and execute appropriate actions. Business focus alignment. The choice between GenAI and Agentic AI should align with your key business focus. If your primary goal is enhancing content creation, communication, or creative processes, GenAI provides immediate value. If your focus is on operational efficiency, automation, and autonomous task execution, Agentic AI offers transformative potential. The future of AI implementation. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for successful AI implementation. Many organizations will ultimately use both approaches, GenAI for content creation and human augmentation, and Agentic AI for process automation and autonomous operations. The key is matching the right technology to the right use case. As AI continues to evolve, the line between these approaches may blur, but the fundamental distinction between content generation and autonomous action will remain relevant for making strategic technology decisions. Success in AI implementation comes not from choosing the most advanced technology, but from selecting the right tool for each specific challenge and implementing it with appropriate safeguards and oversight.